Hey everyone, this is Eric, and I'm going to go through right now and show you a little bit about the basics behind the Visual Basic for applications and how to access the Visual Basic editor. So, first of all, I have my example file on the screen, and this can apply to all the exercises that we covered today, or that are in the table of contents, or any video that you view is going to use the same basic principle. So, without any further ado, we have, like I said, the example file on the screen. Now, to access the Visual Basic editor, we go ahead and press Alternate F11, or go to the macros tools macros. I'm gonna go ahead and click on that. Make sure that you have the window in focus, and I press Alternate F11. Now on the left side of your screen, you're going to see the Visual Basic Explorer, and these are the individual sheets in the workbook. Okay, we have a sheet 1, that's the name Excel knows it by. This is the name that it is on that it shows on the screen itself, what the name of the sheet is. Buyers sheet, Buyers 2010, sheet 5, employees review. Again, I'm going to go back here and kind of minimize the screen so that you can actually see what the sheets are. We have buyers 2010 and employees review and sales compensation 2010. And you can go through and see this for yourself. Just for the sample files that you're able to download, these are the sheet names, and we can change the names, and the changes will be reflected in the Visual Basic editor. So that is the concept behind these. And if you want to know more, you can click on this properties window, and we can see a little more detail here. We can see that like for example, Buyers 2010. The name is Buyers 2010. The name that Excel knows it by is Sheet 1. Sheet 1. And then this one, for example, the name. So when we do worksheets dot name, or worksheets, and then in parentheses we put the name of the worksheet, employees review. Excel understands that as employees review being that particular sheet. And if Excel knows it by, the code name, the proper name is sheet 5. And again, for this one, sales compensation 2010, and we have sheet 10. Okay, and for the workbook, we have code for the entire workbook here that covers all these 3 sheets. So if you want to go ahead and add a module, we're going to go ahead and add a module, insert module, and up comes the module here. And I'm going to just type in a simple thing just for grins, private sub, and then we're going to have a message box, private sub message box, and message box hello. Just something simple, and just to kind of cover what we're doing, and run this code. Right number of arguments, message box 1. So probably have to edit that out, but it's message box hello. Message box 1. Message box 1 is the sub name, private sub message box 1, and then we don't want to call it the same name as this procedure, so that's why I'm putting the 1 at the end, or else it's going to give an error. So message box hello. If I press F5, run this, I get hello. Okay, great. Now I want to show you how to comment code. So we are on the screen here. I want to comment this this line of code is a message box. Okay, that's not a legitimate line of code, so it's going to give me a compilation error. So the way I get rid of that and turn it from red to make an actual comment, so I know, I put an apostrophe before it. I put an apostrophe before it, then when I click down, it turns it green or whatever color you set, and probably by default it sets it to green if you haven't changed your settings. And this line of code is a message box. That's my comment. Also, I can type the words rem before it, but that's a little bit more confusing. And I can turn it. I can call it rem, and understand that. So I just put an apostrophe there. If I want, I can make the comment go to the next line for all you advanced people out there. Let's see if I can do this. This line of code is a message box and says hello. Okay, so ampersand and this little underscore, it says hello. Okay, now that code doesn't, anything in the green does not run. So, and notice how I didn't have an exclamation point, apostrophe in front of that, and it still commented the code out. Great. So, thanks for watching, and this is going to apply, like I said, to every video that you'll see today. So, we're going to go into the Visual Basic editor.